I'm Dr. Mansoor Kundi, currently Vice Chancellor Bahauddin Zakaria University. By profession, I'm political scientist, but having served as a VC Gomal University, where then a very big veterinary college existed. And then I served Executive Director HC, Federal HC, for 2 years. So I know about veterinary business, their problems. So in that connection, I'm here. And I'm thankful to you people for inviting me here, your landmark, which is really doing good job. And having attended your session today here, I'm proud of you people that you are doing at the macro level and micro level to promote cattle, dairy, and all this industry which comes under veterinary purview. Pakistan is an agricultural country, and mind it, by doing the job you explain and I learned about, it's a big service of this country. And I hope the message is spread around. Essence of knowledge you understand is having it to apply it. That you apply around and more at the micro level in remote areas, particularly Sindh, Balochistan, and then Fatah, which now merge into KPK, that farmers and those who are cattle raisers, their health and their problems sorted out. And regarding your expo, which I know that you are going to have it the third time, and very good job, and you try to spread your message and your services around people that they know more about that. They know more about that because expo play a very important role in explaining message in simple terminologies to people and stakeholders, because beneficiaries in large are stakeholders. Although from this industry, veterinary, stakeholder not only beneficiary, even common man can be regarded as beneficiary, because if you have the pure milk, good poultry, and I will try my best if possible to come and attend. And at the micro level from my university, I will send few delegates there.